Mũmbunge wa Gatundu MP KURURIA Elijah Njoroge KURURIA is one of the MPs arĩa makoragwo makiboast kana makĩtĩĩra gũkorwo nĩ maingĩrire gũkorwo marĩ ambunge gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya without any party. Aingĩrire independent and because of that he can take any stand that he so wishes without paying any allegiance to anybody. Na nĩkĩo wonaga mũndũ ta mũmbunge KURURIA no kire rũcinĩ auge the president is doing this and it is not right, or this is happening and it is not right. Nĩkĩo akoragwo na a very independent stance. Mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩtũrĩkirie kuona kũrĩa constituency yake agĩũkĩrĩra CS wa transport akiuga thaa ici barabara citirathondekwo compared to the CS for transport who was there before, for infrastructure who was Murkomen. Compared to him na thaa ici arauga atĩ hĩndĩ ya Murkomen bara nĩ yathondeketwo bara ya kuma Thika nginya somewhere around kũu constituency yake. No kuona atĩ kuma ministry ĩyo ĩkorwo ĩgĩcenjerio mũndũ ũrĩa wekĩrirwo hau nĩ mũndũ ũthũire Agĩkũyũ na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. And this is a twist. This is a very big twist. Tukoretwo tukimenya MP Njoroge KURURIA mwena wa government na he is for the government and by the government and besides the government and everything the government. Tondu ona juzi nĩtũrĩgĩte kuona empowerment forum na abunge all the AKK government marũrũnganĩte kũu and even the deputy president Kithure Kindiki kũu, but thaa ici nĩtũrarĩkia gũkorwo tukiona akĩyumĩria na kuga atĩ we are supporting the president, yes, but CS ake matiraruta wĩra, na not only kwaga kũruta wĩra, matirenda kũrutĩra wĩra andũ a Mount Kenya tondũ nĩ mathũire Agĩkũyũ. What message could he be passing?
Nahurumia rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kwa sababu wanadanganywa wakiwa State House ati contractors wamerudi kwa site, na ni uongo, hawajarudi hapa Gatundu North. Wamerudi ama hawajarudi? Tumedanganywa na waziri wa barabara ati hii barabara ya kutoka Thika kwenda Magumu inaisha wakati wote kutoka sasa. Na yeye contractor amechukua matrakta na ameenda. Sasa barabara haijengwi, haina contractor, haijamalizika, haijafika hata nusu, na rais alitoa amri akasema hiyo barabara ishe. Wananchi wamekasirika sana kwa sababu wanasema afadhali tungebaki na waziri wa barabara wa Murkomen ambaye alikuwa amejenga hii barabara kutoka Thika mpaka Kamwangi, lakini huyu yuko saa hii nasikia inasemekana anachukia Wakikuyu. Na hata kama unachukia Wakikuyu, waziri chill, lazima utujengee barabara hii ya kutoka Thika kwenda Magumu na hii ya Mau Road, kwa sababu watu wetu wanalalamika sana. Watoto wetu na wamama wanazalia watoto kwa barabara. Watu wa Kamunyaka wanazalia watoto kwa barabara. Na waziri amekaa kwa ofisi, hakuna kazi anafanya. Hawa wananchi ndio walipea William Ruto kura na ndio watampea 2027. Na wewe unafanya wachukie rais kwa sababu ufanye kazi. Unadanganya rais ati unafanya kazi na hakuna contractor hata mmoja ako hapa Gatundu North constituency. Mimi ni supporter wa rais namba 1. Na tutamsupport na watu wangu wa Gatundu North, lakini pia tunagojea kazi kama vile mnajengea watu wengine barabara. Mawaziri wote wanafanya kazi, ule tu mbaya hafanyi kazi ni huwa anaitwa chill.
Atema CS thaa ici arĩa me thirikari-inĩ ya William Ruto they are tribal. Tondu mũndũ ta KURURIA by now nĩ njũĩ if you are told to describe KURURIA nĩ mũndũ waragia ma, and KURURIA doesn't know how to sugarcoat. Ndoĩ gũsugarcoat ũndũ. If he says mũndũ ũyũ araga gwĩka ũũ because he is tribal, agĩkorwo oete microphone ũũ akauga mũndũ ũyũ araga gwĩka ũũ tondũ nĩ tribal na nĩ atũthũire, then believe it, trust me, you need to believe that. Noguo nĩguo kũrĩ. Why the sudden change? Could this be sending a message to KK people? Juzi tu nĩtũronire nginya Kimani Ichung'wa rĩu nĩ aranjia kũhoreria mwaki. What do you guys think about this? Na abunge a Mount Kenya arĩa me mwena wa William Ruto thaa ici by the way nĩ marahoreria mwaki na they are trying to hold the government accountable also on some accounts. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.